Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a text box in Google Sheets file. So here is my Google Sheets, and then if you want to add some text box, just click on the insert menu at the top and then go to drawing, tap on the drawing, and then here click on the text box icon here and then draw your text box like this, and then you can just type in anything you want to add to the text box. So I'm going to paste some text like this, and then I'm going to change the background of the text box to be more seen or more clear on the sheet. So I'm going to use this, and then just click on save and close when you're done. Okay, so there is your text box. You can adjust the position and also the size of the text box like this, and you can also put it anywhere you want on the file. Okay, so that is how you can add a text box in your Google Sheets file. That's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.